For centuries, honey and cinnamon have been treasured for their medicinal and healing properties. While these two ingredients are often used in cooking and traditional remedies, modern science has confirmed their powerful health benefits. Cinnamon, especially cassia cinnamon, has been used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for over 2,000 years. It contains cinnamaldehyde, an active compound with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. Meanwhile, honey is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that enhance immunity, fight infections, and promote overall well-being. Together, honey and cinnamon form a powerful natural remedy that can help combat various health issues. Below, we explore the most remarkable benefits of this combination and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Number 1. Natural arthritis relief. One of the oldest uses of honey and cinnamon is in treating arthritis and joint pain. The anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon help reduce swelling, while the potassium and antioxidants in honey provide relief from joint pain. A study conducted by the Copenhagen University found that arthritis patients who took a mixture of honey and cinnamon daily experienced significant pain relief within a few weeks. Many reported improved mobility and reduced inflammation. How to use it? Mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder to form a paste. Apply it to the affected joints and massage gently. Alternatively, mix honey and cinnamon in a cup of warm water and drink it daily to reduce inflammation and stiffness. Number 2. Strengthens the immune system. Honey and cinnamon boost the immune system, making it more effective in fighting off bacteria, viruses, and infections. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent, while cinnamon has antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help protect the body from common illnesses. During the flu outbreak of 2009, several traditional medicine practitioners recommended honey and cinnamon to their patients. Many reported shorter recovery times and fewer severe symptoms compared to those who did not use this remedy. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon and consume it daily for stronger immunity. Number 3. Improves heart health and circulation. Several studies suggest that honey and cinnamon can reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood circulation, reducing cholesterol levels, and keeping arteries flexible. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders found that individuals who consumed cinnamon regularly experienced lower LDL levels and improved heart function. How to use it? Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of honey to warm water and drink it every morning to support heart health and prevent arterial blockages. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Both honey and cinnamon help lower blood sugar naturally. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, while honey provides a slow and steady energy release, making it a great alternative to refined sugar for diabetics and those at risk of type 2 diabetes. Research by the American Diabetes Association found that cinnamon supplementation helped reduce fasting blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. How to use it? Mix a pinch of cinnamon with 1 teaspoon of honey in warm water or tea and drink it before meals to help regulate blood sugar. Number 5. Aids in weight loss. Honey and cinnamon can boost metabolism and burn fat. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and reduces cravings, while honey provides natural energy without causing blood sugar spikes. A clinical trial conducted by Columbia University found that individuals who consumed honey and cinnamon in their diet lost more weight over 12 weeks compared to those who did not. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 1 tablespoon of honey in a cup of warm water. Drink this on an empty stomach every morning for better metabolism and fat burning. Number 6. Fights the common cold and flu. Cinnamon has been found to slow the growth of bacteria and viruses, while honey acts as a natural cough suppressant and immune booster. This combination is highly effective in preventing and treating colds and flu. In a 2011 study, patients with upper respiratory infections who took honey and cinnamon reported faster recovery times compared to those using conventional medications alone. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of cinnamon and consume it daily to strengthen immunity. If you have a sore throat or cold, add the mixture to warm water or tea for quick relief. Number 7. Improves digestion and gut health. Both honey and cinnamon support digestion by reducing bloating, soothing an irritated stomach, and promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Cinnamon helps with acid reflux, while honey acts as a natural prebiotic. A trial conducted in India found that patients suffering from indigestion and acid reflux experienced relief within a week of consuming honey and cinnamon daily. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon in warm water or herbal tea and drink after meals to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Number 8. Enhances brain function and memory. Studies have shown that cinnamon improves cognitive function and memory, while honey is rich in antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress. This combination may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. A 2016 study on older adults found that those who consumed cinnamon regularly performed better on memory tests than those who did not. How to use it? Add honey and cinnamon to your morning tea or smoothie for a natural brain boost. Number 9. Promotes restful sleep. Honey regulates blood sugar levels and promotes the release of melatonin, the sleep hormone. Meanwhile, cinnamon helps relax the body and reduce stress levels, leading to better sleep quality. A survey of individuals suffering from insomnia found that those who drank honey and cinnamon before bed had improved sleep quality and duration. How to use it? Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon in warm milk and drink it before bed for a peaceful night's sleep. Number 10. Heals skin, acne, and wounds. Both honey and cinnamon have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making them excellent for healing wounds, acne, and skin infections. Honey hydrates the skin, while cinnamon boosts blood circulation for faster healing. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cinnamon and apply it as a face mask for clearer, glowing skin. Apply honey and cinnamon paste to cuts or burns to speed up healing. Number 11. Eliminates bad breath naturally. Both honey and cinnamon have natural antibacterial properties that kill bacteria responsible for bad breath and oral infections. How to use it? Mix honey and cinnamon in warm water and gargle every morning for fresh breath and improved oral health. Number 12. Natural energy booster. Honey is a natural energy source, while cinnamon improves blood circulation. Together, they provide a sustained energy boost without the crash that comes from sugary or caffeinated drinks. How to use it? Add honey and cinnamon to warm water or tea in the morning for a natural energy boost. By incorporating honey and cinnamon into your daily routine, you can experience these incredible health benefits backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Have you tried honey and cinnamon in your daily routine? Share your experience in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.